eventually he decides to let go.
We call this dog fishing.
You recording it?
Yes. You hear that growling?
Oh, there he goes. That was what, about 20, 25 seconds?
That was quite a while.
Where's Apple? Oh, I don't think it's... Oh, there you go. There you go. Gotta tease them a little. So that way they fight a little bit harder. Look what I caught.
It's a dogfish.